The danger of cats for Rh negatives. Rh negatives are more deeply affected by the disease Toxoplasma gondii. I wrote some time ago on my blog showing how scientists were even trying to make out that Rh negative blood is the result of the disease. That is absolute rubbish, of course. There are many diseases like AIDS, Black Death, Ebola, smallpox, and many more that only affect Rh positives and not Rh negatives. But of course, they will use anything to demonise the Rh negative bloodlines and to make out that our rare blood is somehow a mutation rather than just a purer and more ancient version of their own blood. Because we are more affected by Toxoplasma gondii, it is important that we take measures to not get or spread the disease. Infection in humans and other warm-blooded animals can occur by consuming raw or uncooked meat containing Toxoplasma gondii tissue cysts, especially from eating raw or undercooked pork. By ingesting water, soil, vegetables, or anything contaminated with oocysts shed in the feces of an infected animal. Cat fecal matter is particularly dangerous. Just one cyst consumed by a cat will result in millions of oocysts. This is why physicians recommend pregnant or ill persons do not clean the cat's litter box at home. From a blood transfusion or organ transplant, or transplant central transmission from mother to fetus, particularly when Toxoplasma gondii is contracted during pregnancy. Having a cat as a pet, allowing a cat to defecate in public without cleaning it up are all ways of spreading this disease, and it can even get into our food and water this way. Sexual reproduction in the female definitive host. When a member of the cat family is infected with Toxoplasma gondii, e.g. by consuming an infected mouse laden with the parasite's tissue cysts, the parasite survives passage through the stomach, eventually infecting epithelial cells of the cat's small intestine. Inside these intestinal cells, parasites undergo sexual development and reproduction, producing millions of thick-walled zygote-containing cysts known as oocysts. Feline shedding of oocysts. Infected epithelial cells eventually rupture and release oocysts into the intestinal lumen, whereupon they are shed in the cat's feces. Oocysts can then spread to soil, water, food, or anything potentially contaminated with the feces. Highly resilient oocysts can survive and remain infected for many months in cold and dry climates. Ingestion of oocysts by humans or other warm-blooded animals is one of the common routes of infection. Humans can be exposed to oocysts by, for example, consuming unwashed vegetables or contaminated water, or by handling the feces, litter of infected cats. Although cats can also be infected by ingesting oocysts, they are much less sensitive to oocyst infection than our immediate hosts. Toxoplasma gondii also causes schizophrenia in those affected the most, i.g. Rh negatives. It is well known that this disease affects the minds of mice that it infects, making them attracted to cats, so that they will be eaten and the virus spread. It also works in humans like this. Crazy Cat Lady Syndrome. Crazy Cat Lady Syndrome is a term coined by news organisations to describe scientific findings that link the parasite Toxoplasma gondii to several mental disorders and behavioural problems. The term Crazy Cat Lady Syndrome draws on both stereotype and popular culture reference. It was originated as instances of the aforementioned affliction were noted amongst the populace. Cat lady is a cultural stereotype of a woman who compulsively hoards cats and dotes upon them. Yaroslav Fleur, biologist, is a proponent of the theory that toxoplasmosis affects human behaviour. Notable cases: Louis Wain, artist, was famous for painting cats. He later developed schizophrenia, which was due to toxoplasmosis, resulting from his prolonged exposure to cats. Arthur Ashe, tennis player, developed neurological problems from toxoplasmosis. Merritt Buttrick, actor, toxoplasmosis as a result of his already weakened immune system. Prince Francois, Count of Clermont, his disability caused him to be overlooked in the line of succession. Leslie Ash, actress, contracted toxoplasmosis in the second month of pregnancy. Sebastian Coe, British middle distance runner, toxoplasmosis. Martina Navratilova, tennis player, suffered from toxoplasmosis during the 1982 US Open.